Welcome children. Here we are about to discuss about the factors affecting the acceleration due to gravity. For that, first we need to remember the mathematical expression of g on the surface of the earth.
So what is g? G is capital G into capital M by capital R square. So what are they? Capital G is the gravitational constant, universal gravitational constant. M is the mass of the earth and R is the radius of the earth. It is applicable for the substances which are situated on the earth's surface, so that the distance between center of the earth and the center of the object on the surface is the radius of the earth. So how this value of g is changing? The influencing factors are shape of the earth and the altitude or the height at which the object is placed. So first one is the shape of the earth. Now generally we know earth is a sphere, but it is not an actual sphere. It is a spheroid. That means the earth is bulged at the equator and at the poles it is a bit flat. So this is changing the radius of the earth. At the equator radius is larger and at the poles the radius is bit less than the equator. Now if we consider RE is the radius at equator and RP is the radius at the poles, then RE will be greater than RP. Now putting this value in the equation of G, we will get G at the equator is Gm by Re square and at the poles Gp equal to Gm by Rp square. Now you can understand clearly that as Re is greater than Rp, then the Ge will be less than Gp. So the acceleration due to gravity will be less at equator and greater at poles. Next is variation due to altitude. So if the object is far more distant from the earth's surface, then the distance between the center of the earth and the center of the object will be the summation of the radius of the earth plus the distance of the object from the surface of the earth. If the object is at the h distance from the earth's surface, then the distance between the object and the center of the earth will be r plus h. Definitely r plus h is greater than r. So the g at h distance will be less than the g on the earth's surface. So this is how g is changing with the altitude or height. Thank you children. Stay safe at home and study well.